Hey everyone, so today I'm gonna set up my Hobonichi Cousin for July. I have our monthly sticker kit. So there's a sampler sheet for 4th of July, and then the rest of the kit is themed for vacation slash travel. So we have some deco, headers, icons, full boxes, more headers, mini flags, some other functional boxes, and some more icons, and then a sheet of washi strips. So let me flip to July. I have my iPad here to the side for my calendar, and I'll start off with the sidebars. So for the sidebar, I just like to use a full box, one of these, and I like to choose one that is like the vibe for the month. Let me see. We're gonna do the pool a lot. Actually, I think I will use this one because we are going to the beach, and then I just want to do a lot of like staycation type of things, or things locally. So I just line it right here. I like to use the clear sticker kit for the Hobonichi Cousin because the paper is kind of like a cream color. So if you use white, I mean, this is our washi paper, but if you use white, I don't know if you could tell, but it sticks out a lot from the paper, and I like it to blend in more like this. And then I use this month header from our sheet A. I like to leave a little space between stickers just for some breathing room. And then that's all I put in the sidebar, because here I'll put like any wins or highlights of the month here. But along the bottom, I like to put washi. So that's where I'll use these washi strips. So these washi strips can curl up if you just take it off the sheet. So I like to do it like this so I can hold it and it won't curl up on itself. I just put it along the bottom. Just get my ruler to trim it. And then one on the other side as well. Okay, so that's it for the side column and the bottom. So now I'll go through and fill in the main section. So I don't put like appointments or meetings on here, but I will add other things like any birthdays, holidays, celebrations, or anything like that. So the first thing for July is 4th of July, and that's where I can use this little sampler. But I like to use this deco on my weekly spread. On my monthly spread, I like to use the icons. So here on sheet A of our monthly kit, I have an icon for 4th of July. So I like to use tweezers to put down stickers, especially the small ones. And this little sticker here is like a sparkler firecracker thing. So I'll put that for 4th of July. And then my in-laws anniversary is on the 6th. So I'll do balloons for like celebration. Then one of my planner besties, her birthday is on the 13th. Actually, I want to use a birthday cake. I like using birthday cake icons for birthdays and balloons for any other kind of celebration. One of our other friends' birthday is on the 17th. My father-in-law's birthday is on the 22nd. I'll put balloons because we will have like a party or dinner. But then I also have my daughter's birthday on the 30th, and I don't have any more of those. I think I have some in my June kit. So we're in June right now, so I still have this sticker kit here in my Hobonichi, and I have some balloons right here. So that's on the 30th. And then the last thing I forgot to add here, my husband has an event the 8th through the 11th. So on our sticker sheet, sheet A, that's what these thin strips are for, or at least that's what I use it for. I like to use these for marking off like a series of days. This here so it doesn't stick to the page, because I just need to trim it. And then use the rest of this strip. And then a little luggage that I can put here. And that's pretty much it for the month of July. I'll go ahead and write everything in. Okay, so that's my month so far. And then I'll just fill things in as they pop up. And then now I'm gonna do my weekly spreads. Mainly I do the sidebar, and I like to use the full boxes from sheet B. I like to reference what's happening during that week. So it's 4th of July and mom and dad's anniversary. So I think I want to choose either this or this, where it's like, we might have like a little get together. Maybe this one, We're not gonna be at a pool, I don't think, but it's just kind of like that lounging vibe. So I put a full box, I put a this week header, and then I get my sheet C because I put a couple of these boxes here. So first I put a half box, and I think I'll do sunglasses, match the vibe of lounging. And then usually I like to use the same color on the whole sidebar, and I like to use this checklist for logging things for the week. And then at the bottom I just use this little quarter box. And then for 4th of July, that's where I'll use this sampler sheet. I think I'll just use this and this one. So that's the first week. And then second week, so let me see what's happening. Oh, that's when my husband has his event, my friend's birthday. So I think that I'm just going to use one of these. I'll use this one. And then, like I said, I like to match the colors all the way down the sidebar. Oops! I forgot my half box. It's always tricky getting stickers back off the page, but I find if you do it right away, it's easier. And just go slowly and hold the page down. Oh, see, it's ripping a little bit here. See if I could go from the bottom. Okay, minimal damage. Forgot to put my half box here. When things like this happen where this doesn't match this as much, sometimes I try to put another sticker over it. Oh, I could put a book or a magazine. I could put a magazine. Oh, you're gonna see it through. Okay, that's not gonna work. Let's see if this will work because it's darker. Yeah, that could work, but I need to trim it. That's pretty good. Then I'll lay down the sticker and then the little quarter box at the bottom. All right, now the next week is 15th. So let's see what's going on. Just a birthday. We have my father-in-law's birthday and my daughter's birthday. So I think I'll use this one for this week because not much is going on. Oh, I already used a gray, so I'm just gonna use a plain one. Oh, I did it again. I forgot to put my half box down. So I'll use this one, but we're not traveling this week. So what I think I'm gonna do is make my own. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll take one of these stickers. I think the bathing suit. We are planning to take the girls to the pool a lot this summer. So this is where a tweezer comes in handy. So my hand can get out of the way. I can see how it'll look, like where to put the sticker. So I'm just going to use that as my half box. So then the quarter box down at the bottom. And then the next week is my father-in-law's birthday, and I'm sure we're gonna visit him. So I'll use this since we'll have to pack. And then maybe I'll use this. I don't know if you could tell, the background is like a map pattern. So since we'll take a little road trip to visit him, it's not very far, but we always like to spend the night since we have to drive a couple hours. Oh my gosh. I messed up again. I'm so distracted by the camera. And then quarter box. All right, oh, that was a struggle. All right, last week. So there were 5 Mondays in July. I don't have enough stickers, so I'm gonna get creative here. I'll just use this because this is the week of my daughter's birthday and we'll go to the beach. And I'm out of this week. So what I'm really logging here in the sidebar is work stuff. So I guess this can work out okay because what I log here is my weekly project for work, logging hours I work on each project, and then the total amount of hours down here. So since it's all work related, then this will work. I have this, I can try to cover it because I don't want duplicate images. I want to choose a dark sticker to cover up. That works good. And then I don't have a checklist, but I can use one of these full boxes. For the bottom, I don't have any more quarter boxes, so I'll do what I did on the other one. like this and just put one of these stickers here. This cute outfit. Would that take up too much space? Not if I push it to the side. Let me see. That's cute. Oops, sorry, you didn't see that. It was out of frame. All right, so here is my monthly spread, and then here are my weekly sidebars. Super cute. So yeah, that's how I set up my Hobonichi Cousin for the month. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.